Welcome children to our English class. Today we are going to start with the fourth chapter of English grammar, that is nouns, singular and plural. Earlier we studied the chapter noun and its kinds, right? So let us begin with this now. First of all, let us read the sentences which are given below. This is a boy. These are boys. This is a butterfly. These are butterflies. Now, in the above sentences, children, which we read, boy and butterfly, both of them are countable nouns. That means you can count them. Okay? And countable nouns are basically of two kinds, singular nouns and plural nouns. Now, what are singular nouns and plural nouns? See, singular number means when we are talking about only one person, animal, place or thing, okay, single. But when we are talking about more than one person, okay, animal, place or thing, then it is said to be plural number. Understood the difference between the two? Now, whenever we need to change singular into plural, there are a few rules which we have to follow, which we will study one by one, okay? Now, in the first point, they are telling that in most cases, the plural can be formed by adding s to the singular. Mostly, words will be there where you just have to add an s and it will change into plural form. Okay, singular form will change into plural form. See, here it is given. Examples are given in the box. Girl, girls. Gate, gates. Animal, animals. Bird, birds. Day, days. Duck, ducks. They just have added an s to it and it becomes plural. Now, in the next point, children, they are telling that the nouns which end with a hissing sound, they can be changed into plural number by adding es to them. Okay. For example, see, for example, first we will take the letter S which is given in the bracket. Then you look at the green box which is given below. B-U-S, bus. Did you listen to the sound which is coming at the end? Bus. Then double S, I will pick up class, C-L-A-S-S, class. Okay. Then if we talk about SH, dish. Then CH, torch. Then X, box. So in all these words, you all noted the hissing sound is coming at the end. Okay. So here, for making them plural, we have to add es to them. What we have to add? Es to the singular word. Then it becomes the plural. So here we will just read out after adding es. What is the pronunciation? First one, branch, branches. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Class, classes. Torch, torches. Dish, dishes. So they have added es and it becomes plural. Now below the green box of second point, one important point is given. See, ox is a word where you will find hissing sound is coming at the end. But the plural of that word, children, is oxen. We don't add es to it. Instead, we add en to it, which you have to keep in your mind. Okay, now moving towards the third point. In the third point, they are telling that nouns which end with o, there also we add es to make it plural. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. But again, one important instruction is given below. See, but the plural form of photo, here also it is ending with o only. But its plural is photos. That means they haven't added es. They have just added s to it. So there are few exceptional words, children, which you have to keep in mind. Then piano, it also ends with o, but its plural is just by adding s to it, pianos. Okay. So you have to keep these points in mind. Now in the fourth point, nouns which end with F or FE. There we have to replace F or FE with VES. Then only it changes into plural. See, calf, F has been replaced with VES and it becomes calves. Then wolf, F has been replaced with VES and it becomes wolves. Life, FE has been replaced with VES and it becomes lives. Okay. But again, there are a few exceptional words, children, where if a word ends with F, then to change it into plural, we have to take S. We have to add S to that particular word. For example, see, roof, roofs, chief, chiefs, dwarf, dwarfs, handkerchief, handkerchiefs, hoof, hoofs, proof, proofs. So here, instead of replacing F, they have added S to the singular noun and it becomes plural. So, as I told you, there are a few exceptional words which you have to keep in mind. Now on page number 23, fifth point, nouns which end with a consonant. You all know what are vowels and what are consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. And the rest are the consonants. Okay. So here, children, whenever a noun ends with a consonant and Y, this thing you have to keep in mind, then we change that Y, we replace that Y with IES and the word changes into plural form. Sky, skies. See, they have replaced Y and added IES to it. Lady, ladies. City, cities. Now in the sixth point, whenever nouns end with a vowel, children, vowel A, E, I, O, U and a Y, then we add S to it and it becomes plural. Okay, see, toy. O is there as a second letter. O is a vowel. Okay, and Y. Okay, so we change it into plural form by adding S to it, toys. Then monkey. Here the last two letters are E, Y. E is vowel. So its plural will be monkeys. S is added to it. Then the last one again is boy. So here same as toy, boys. S has been added at the end. Next, they are telling that there are a few words, okay, there are a few nouns, I would rather say. For that nouns, you don't have to follow any rules which are mentioned above, the 6 points we studied. For these words, children, for these nouns, you just have to remember their singular form and plural form. And those set of words are given below, okay. You can see in the orange box it is given. See, I will read out the same. Man, men. In place of A, they have written E. Okay, they have replaced A with E and it becomes plural. Then goose, geese. They have replaced double O with double E to form its plural. Foot, feet. Child, children. Woman, women. Tooth, teeth. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. One more important point is given below the orange box. Don't skip that at all, just read it properly. Is that plural forms of deer, sheep and fish, they remain same, children, as the singular. Okay. Plural of deer will remain deer. Plural of sheep will remain sheep. And plural of fish will remain fish. Okay. They have also given a few sentences below. A deer was chased by a hunter. Singular. There were many deer in the zoo. Now here they are talking about many deer, more than one. Then also you might have noticed that they haven't added any word. The word remains the same. The noun deer, it remains the same in plural form also. Okay. Then in the next sentence, there was a fish in the aquarium. There were many fish in the aquarium. So in singular and plural, both the sentences, fish word remains same. Then next, the tiger killed a deer, singular. The tiger killed 3 deer, plural. Here they are talking about more than one deer, then also the plural remains the same. Okay? Another important point which they have discussed after the sentences get over is, sometimes children we can use the term fishes, but when to use? See, they have given you an example also. There was a variety of fishes in the aquarium. Here children, fishes stands for different varieties of fish. That is why they have used this term fishes. Next, they are talking about the noun fruit. See, when we are talking about singular, then they have given you an example. Eating fruit is good for our health. But when we are talking about variety of fruits, then they have given you an example over there also. There was a variety of fruits in the basket. Understood? Next important point they are discussing is, there are a few nouns that are always used in plural form. Okay, there is no singular for that. See, trousers, shorts, scissors and spectacles. They have given you the sentences also. We wear shorts in hot weather. We never say we wear short. Okay, we always say we wear shorts in hot weather. Then I wear trousers to my school. My spectacles were lost yesterday. You would never say my spectacle was lost yesterday. We always use these words in plural form. Okay. These scissors are from China. Okay. Now in the same way children, there are a few set of words or nouns I would say. For these set of words children, there is no plural form. We always use them as singular. For example, advice, furniture, scenery, information and news. They have also shared the examples with sentence. See, the news of his marriage was great. We bought new furniture from the mall. Now few things which we discussed till now children are given in the box which is given below, and that you have to remember. So again we will give a quick revision to that. First point says that there are a few nouns which we always use in the singular form. These words are children, scenery, furniture, news, advice, information. Next point they are telling that there are a few nouns which are always used in plural form, like scissors, trousers, spectacles, shorts. Then in the third point they are telling that same form in the singular as well as the plural. There are a few words which remain same in single form also and plural also, like deer, sheep and fish. Okay. Now on page number 24, moving towards the exercise related with the chapter given, question A, write the plural forms of the following nouns. Here you have to change the singular nouns into plural form. Okay. And read the instructions, read the rules which we studied in the chapter and then change into plural form. Okay. One I will let you know and rest you have to try by yourself. First one is family. It ends with Y and it will be replaced with IES. Y will be replaced with IES. Okay, and it will become families. The plural of family will be families by adding IES. Now rest, try, but remember to go through the rules which are given in the chapter. Now, question number B. Change the nouns given in color into their plural forms and rewrite the sentences. Make the other changes as required. Now here children, you have to change the words which are given in pink. Okay, that you have to change into plural form, but remember when you are rewriting the sentences, many things will change because you are changing it in plural form. Understood? See, one example I will give. Same way you have to try for other sentences. But here you have to be very careful, read twice, thrice that whether after changing the words given in pink into plural form, the sentence comes out to be correct or not grammatically. See, first one. Notice the changes which I make. Keep that in mind. See, the ox was afraid of the man, so it ran away. Now here the words which are given in pink are ox and man. Now these two you have to change into plural. Plural of ox will be oxen and plural of man will be men, M-E-N. Now what changes will occur in the sentence? See, listen carefully. The oxen were, was will change into were, okay, were afraid of the men, so they ran away. Now we are talking about plural form, okay, so it will also change and it will become they, okay. So again I am repeating, listen to it very carefully. The oxen were afraid of the men, so they ran away. Understood? Now try the other sentences. Now question number C on same page number, that is page number 24. It is almost same like you did in question B children. There you had to change the words which were given in pink into plural form. Same way for the sentences. Okay, now here you have to change the words which are given in pink into singular form. Okay, and automatically there will be many changes in the sentence also. So you have to rewrite the changed sentence also. Okay, first one I will let you know. The mice dug many holes in a corner. Now the words given in pink are mice and holes. So when we change them into singular, mice becomes mouse and holes becomes hole. Okay, now what will be the sentence? Change to sentence. The mouse dug a hole in a corner. Now many will not come. Now we are talking about singular form. Okay, again I am repeating, listen carefully. The mouse dug a hole in a corner. Okay, same rules follow in the other sentences. Understood? And try to solve out the same. With this we come to an end of this chapter. You will be getting the answer key for the exercise, but remember children, first try by yourself using a pencil in the textbook. Afterwards refer to the answer key and make the changes accordingly. Okay? End of session. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next lecture.